Hey everyone, I'm Scotty from Scotty RNY, and this is my week 41 post-op Roux-en-Y gastric bypass update. Whew. Well, welcome to the Red Eye edition. Yes, I am fantastic in the Red Eye edition because I'm doing this early. As you can see my moonlight lighting, I have a whole bunch of stuff to do later on, so I won't be able to do my video then. So I'm doing it to you now. I hope everyone had a good week, as well as I did, and I am fantastic. That's right, I am. Love my voice today, by the way. Okay, so let's get into it. So I'm 6'2", 45 years old. My highest weight ever recorded was 419 pounds in August of 2014. I had surgery July 7th, 2015 at Humber River Regional Hospital in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. My surgeon was Dr. Hagen, and my surgery weight was 340 pounds. Last week, I was 220.2 pounds, and this week I am 218.4 pounds. Yes, 218.4, for a loss of 1.8 pounds from last week, and from surgery a loss of 121.6 pounds, and a total loss from my highest weight ever recorded is 200.6 pounds. So I am back down again to my goal weight-ish area, which I knew I would be because, as I mentioned last week, with the not going to the gym a whole lot and all the extra food and such and whatever excuse you want to use. But this week, yeah, I knew I was going to be down because I had a few more days at the gym this week, and I watched what I ate a lot better than I did the week before. Not perfect. Hey, nobody's perfect, but I did a lot better. So my numbers show it there. A nice breakfast, anybody? Some chocolate? Yes, thank you. Let's see. Oh, so this past week, we're going to call this an NSV, a weird way though. Have you ever seen those little leather kids lazy boys? Like they're like this, right? You know, they're for kids. Well, my daughter's got one in her room, and the other day I went in to hang out with her, you know, have a little, hey, how you doing, kind of chat and stuff like that. And I looked at it and I said, let me see. So I went over and I sat down in it, and I fit right inside this little kid's lazy boy chair. Now, granted, I can't put the feet up, obviously, because I'm 6'2". But the fact that I could actually fit in this little thing again was kind of cool. And she kind of thought so too, just the way she kind of looked at me. Other than thinking I'm weird, but hey, that's all good. So that was kind of cool to fit into a little kid's chair like that. So another thing I've noticed this past week is my body. It's going to be like a two-parter, part one. My body really has morphed with my weight loss. Everybody loses weight in different spots here and there and such, whatever. And considering I had such a big round, not droopy round, but out round, girthy stomach, and it's like completely gone now. And really all you see is ribs. You see ribs and then this sunken in stomach. Oh, it's a little creepy, but that's how my body has morphed. So now the most protruding part down my front is my ribs. I like ribs, but not like that. So that's something that I'm still getting used to, and I'm sure that other people out there, with the way that their body has morphed with their surgery, they're getting used to things like that as well. Which leads me to part two of this little morphing thing. So I bought this shirt actually. I bought this beautiful purple polo shirt. It's a nice form-fitting shirt, and I opted for this size because the size up for it was a little bit too baggy all around. So I went for the smaller size, which is more form-fitting. The problem with that is, because of my gynecomastia, I have excess skin now hanging right here, and it was really sticking out quite obviously. So what the hell am I going to do? So I got a tank top, a small tank top to put on. It's almost like a girdle for my boobs to kind of hold the skin down so that this shirt will look better with it on. But it's still not perfect because, again, I have skin, and just the way that this shirt hangs, even though it hangs better, it's a little tighter and more form-fitting, that you can still see a bit of my skin from my gynecomastia. So that's something I'm going to have to get used to. That's life. Either before they looked at me where I had boobs like that, or now I got loose, floppy skin boobs. But either way, it's my body. I've been used to a weird looking body for all these years. Now I'm going to be looking to a weird body, but a healthier one. And that's the thing that really matters. As much as my body has morphed and changed and whatnot, I know people are going to look at me, when I go to the pool and, there's that skin hanging there. It's not the worst, really. Either way, people have looked at me all my life because I was way too big, or now I'm skinnier and I have the excess skin hanging there. So I'm used to people looking. So either way, again, they're looking, but this time I am healthy, and that is the main thing. So I don't give a rat's petunia. Yes. Oh, and one more quick thing. Yesterday was free pizza at work day. Yes, free pizza. And realistically, depending on how smart you were and whatnot, you could have worked your way into like a whole pizza yourself. Again, my choice. I have chosen not to have pizza yet since my surgery, with the exception of, well, this pizza was pizza, which is a good pizza. But I did try Dr. Oetker Restaurante chicken pizza. Thin crust and just a little bit of it. The little bit equaled 180 calories per quarter and 8 grams of fat, 8 grams of protein, 22 carbs. So one day I did try some of that. And I was good with it, and I knew I didn't have any problems with it. But again, it was a treat, and that's all I wanted. And I opted not to have the pizza yesterday because, again, I don't want to get in that trap of having the good, sloppy, greasy pizza like that and getting used to it because I know my body will keep it without rejecting it, and then getting stuck wanting to have it more and more all the time. So yeah, free pizza day. And this kid chose not to have any. I don't know what I was thinking. No, that's me. That's what I choose. So anyways, that's how it goes for me. Thanks to all my new subscribers and my loyal ones, of course. You guys are still fantastic. Oh, I got one more. Stop right there. Yes. Last night, I made a beautiful roast pork. Garlic and sage and a whole bunch of other stuff, and sauteed apples and onions and all that stuff to go with it. It was beautiful. My daughter made homemade mashed potatoes, and together we worked on the spiralizing zoodles. So the meal itself was delicious. Absolutely, it was delicious. I'm not a big pork fan, but I must say it was delicious. So now I can carry on. And again, thanks to my new subscribers and my old subscribers, and you guys are fantastic. Like the videos, everybody, because we all like to be liked, and share the videos however you like to be sharing your videos. And of course, as always, if you want to get in touch, Google+. So that is going to be about it for today, everybody. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you again next time. Take care, and bye-bye.